Hello and welcome back to Frappe ERP Next course. In this lecture, we will see how to create a new doc type in Frappe framework. Let's start learning. My bench is up and running and let's open the web application. Before creating a new doc type, let's see a doc type which is already created in ERP Next. Let's open tools and here we can see to do. In ERP Next, we can create to-dos using this doc type. Here we can see the list view of to-do DocType, and now there is no to-do is available. So let's create a new to-do by clicking on add to button. This will show a small form view. I am just elaborating this view using edit in full page. This is the to-do DocType form view, and here we can see different fields and labels. For example, this is a select field and we can select the status, and this is also a select field. We can choose different color for this to do using color field. And if you click on due date, we can see a calendar view and we can pick a date from that calendar. And in description field, we can type our to do note or short paragraphs. Reference is a next section in this doc type. We can also see some more fields in references. To create a to-do, let's add some description here and click on save. Now this to-do is created. If you go to to-do list, you can see our first to-do. We can also create doc type like to-do in Frappe framework, and let's see how to create a new doc type. Let's go to home and click on build module, then click on doc type. This will show doc type list view, and I am adding a new doc type here. Just click on add a doc type, then give a doc type name. I am adding a demo doc type name here. Next we need to mention this doc type belongs to which module. So here I am selecting our programming module which is present in our demo application. So let's select programming module. Now we can add different field to this doc type. Let's click on add a new row and let's add a label first name here. And this will be the label for this field. And next we need to specify the field type, and next we need to give a name for this field, and this name will use for programming and fetching the data from that specific field. So let's add the field name first name here, first underscore name. Next I am not changing anything in this doc type. Let's click on save. And now we successfully created our demo doc type in our programming module. This will also create a database table inside our MariaDB database. To view this doc type, just click on go to demo doc type list. To add a new document, let's click on add a demo doc type, and this will open the form view, and we can see our field first name here. If you place mouse over this field, you can see the field actual name. So this field name is used for fetching values from this field. So let's add a name here. I'm adding decode here and click on save. Now we successfully saved our first document inside our demo doc type. So if you go to demo doc type list, you can see the list view of our demo doc type, and this is our first doc type. Let's open the programming module and see the controlling files for this demo doc type. Let's open files and go to Frappe bench, then open demo application, then programming module. Here we can see a new directory called DocType, and let's open this directory. Inside this directory we can see our demo DocType. Let's open this, and these are the controlling and database structure file created when we create a new DocType. Now I am going to open the MariaDB console and let's see the demo DocType table structure, and go to Frappe bench. Then we can open MariaDB console using this command bench MariaDB. We can see our demo doctype table structure using this command dusk. Then tab, then doctype table name, which is demo doctype. We are using a tab prefix with our doctype name because in Frappe every doctype tables are created with prefix tab. So let's enter, and this is our table structure. Here we can see different fields and their types. Now let's see the documents present inside this demo doctype. For see the data inside this table, we can run the command select star for all data from, then tab demo doctype. And here we can see the data present inside this demo doctype table. Here we can see only one document, and which is our decoded document which we created just now, and the name is a random name, and we can see the creation time, then modification time, then modified by administrator, and owner is also administrator, and then doc status is 0 because it's a saved document, and parent null, parent field null, then idx is 0. Then we can see our first name decoded here, and also we can see some other fields, and that fields are null. So this is the database structure of a doc type. Sorry, we can exit from here using Q, and I'm exiting from MariaDB console using Control D, and let me clear this. Here I'm winding up this lecture, and see you in the next lecture. Bye.